Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how we can make tomato rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of basmati rice, rinsed until the water runs clear. Next, prepare 2 medium-sized ripe tomatoes, finely chopped, along with 1 small onion, also finely diced. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and a couple of green chilies for a little kick. Finally, have your spices ready. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a pinch of turmeric powder. Now, let's prepare the flavorful base for our tomato rice. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a sturdy pot or pressure cooker over a steady medium flame. Once the oil is shimmering, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and allow them to splutter for about 10 to 15 seconds, releasing their aroma. Next, add the finely chopped onions and sauté them gently until they become beautifully translucent and soft. Finally, stir in the ginger garlic paste and green chilies, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. It's time to build the rich flavor of our tomato rice. Add the finely chopped tomatoes to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Cook them down, stirring occasionally until they soften and release their juices, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder for color and warmth. Continue cooking this mixture for another 5 to 7 minutes, until the oil begins to separate from the tomato paste. Finally, pour in 1 3/4 cups of water and add 1 teaspoon of salt, bringing it to a boil. With our flavorful liquid boiling, it's time to add the star of the dish, the rice. Carefully add the thoroughly rinsed basmati rice to the pot. Give it 1 gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and the rice is submerged. Now, cover the pot tightly with a lid and reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Allow the rice to cook undisturbed for exactly 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let the rice rest, still covered, for an additional 10 minutes before fluffing and serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.